Hi, I'm James Lowe.
And I'm Justine Murphy, and this is Light Matters for April 16th, 2014.
On this week's show, light-activated neurons restore paralyzed muscles, a semiconductor manipulates infrared light, and scientists propose growing biofuel crops on photovoltaic farms.
Paralysis caused by a motor neuron disease or spinal cord injury can prompt feelings of helplessness and despair. But there is optimism in a new technique that can artificially control paralyzed muscles using light. The technique, developed at University College London and King's College London, could potentially restore the function of muscles afflicted by motor neuron disease or spinal cord injury. The new method transplants motor neurons created from stem cells into injured nerve branches. These cells were equipped with a molecular light sensor, allowing the researchers to control the motor neurons with flashes of blue light. Modifying the intensity, duration, and frequency of the light pulses allowed the researchers to adjust muscle control. A built-in survival gene helped the stem cell motor neurons stay alive when transplanted into the injured nerves. Experiments on mice have demonstrated that the transplanted motor neurons grew along the injured nerves to connect successfully with the paralyzed muscles. These could then be controlled by pulses of blue light. The researchers expect to conduct human trials within the next 5 years. The work was published in Science.
A nanostructure-embedded semiconductor that manipulates light at the infrared terahertz range could potentially benefit applications including imaging, energy efficiency, and telecommunications. Developed by a team at the University of California, Santa Barbara, the technology uses erbium, a rare earth metal that can absorb light in the visible and infrared wavelengths. Pairing it with antimony, the researchers embedded the resulting compound, erbium antimonide, as semi-metallic nanostructures within the gallium antimonide semiconducting matrix. This combination is ideal because of its structural compatibility with surrounding materials, the researchers say. It allowed them to embed the nanostructures without interrupting the atomic lattice structure of the semiconducting matrix. Potential functions for the new semiconductor include more efficient solar cells, more reliable and higher resolution biological imaging, medical applications to fight cancer, and applications in plasmonics and data transmission. The research was published in Nano Letters.
Photovoltaic installations could someday give a boost to biofuels production and vice versa, particularly in sunny and dry regions of the U.S. Computer simulations developed by scientists at Stanford University show that growing certain plants around photovoltaic equipment in Southern California could help conserve water used to keep wind-blown dirt off the solar panels to ensure they operate as efficiently as possible. The crops would capture water runoff and help anchor the soil. Most of the agave plant can be converted to liquid ethanol, unlike corn or grain. Used alone or mixed with gasoline, agave biofuel could potentially power lower emission vehicles. The research was published in Environmental Science and Technology.
Some of the team here at Photonics Media is attending the Vision Show in Boston this week. Join us next week for coverage of some of the latest technology, news, and research.
That's it for this edition of Light Matters.
Email us with your questions or comments at lightmatters@photonics.com.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.